Hello and welcome to all our viewers. This is your host and you're watching Daily Diary News. Today we are in Delhi at an event of a award ceremony. On 5th May, you saw us attending an examination of the children of the age 5 to 13 years who were giving an abacus examination in which they had to solve around 200 questions in 8 minutes. And today we are at the award ceremony of the same examinations. We have the organizers of that award ceremony and the whole UCMAS with us. We welcome you both, and I would just like for you to introduce yourself to the audience for once.
So my name is Kunal Garg and I'm right now working at the head office of UCMAS Delhi.
Hi, I am Muskan Garg and I'm also working at the head office of UCMAS.
Okay, so can you please brief us about today's event?
So basically today's event is the award distribution of the exam that was conducted. तो आज बहुत सारे बच्चों को awards मिलता है उनके achievement के basis पे जो उन्होंने exam दिया था. तो इससे basically आपको बहुत ज़्यादा exposure मिल पाता है, आपका confidence boost up होता है. Now we have 3 levels. जैसे state level होता है, then there's national level, there's international level. So from the very beginning, the students are in that zone, in that competition. वो जो उनका spirit होता है वो बहुत ज़्यादा बढ़ता है competition को. उनको बहुत मज़ा आता है जब आप किसी चीज़ पे मेहनत करो and when you finally achieve something. So that's a very proud moment for the parents and as well for the children. So yes.
So how the whole concept of UCMAS came to your mind?
So UCMAS is actually a brain development program. It started in 1992 in Malaysia, and then a lot of research told us that it is a very good program for these students for improving the cognitive skills. So for this state level competition, this stage gives a lot of courage to the students. They make them ready for real life situation where they have to compete, and that's why this idea came to mind that we can do state level, international level competition. 80 countries में बच्चे compete कर रहे हैं, तो they get a lot of exposure. उनको बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलता है, and for this competition we try to tell the kids that this is to elevate your performance from what you had earlier. So they are competing with themselves first, and then with the platform they are getting from UCMAS, it will help them a lot in a lot of real life situations.
So how do you think was the response that you got from children?
The response was even better than before. हर साल we are seeing कि there's an increase in the number of people that are participating in the competition. क्योंकि whenever the parents come, वो एक अलग ही खुशी के साथ यहाँ से जाते हैं. So it has been a great response for us.
So how do you think is going to be the future of UCMAS in terms of competition examinations?
I think all the students in UCMAS will participate in this competition, and in fact, a lot of schools, we are getting a lot of requests from schools that हमारे भी बच्चों को इस competition में बैठना दो, because there are so many people participating. बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बहुत rigorous exam है. This is 200 question in 8 minutes. It's a difficult thing to achieve, and बच्चे कर पा रहे हैं ये चीज़. So this gives a lot of advantage to the students. So इसलिए बहुत सारी request आ रही हैं. Maybe in the future we do something कि सभी बैठ पाएं UCMAS के साथ compete कर पाएं. Let's see how it goes.
Okay, thank you so much for both of you to give us your time, and we hope that whatever you're trying to achieve with UCMAS will be achieved. Thank you.